If you're trying to update your League of Legends and it just won't, well, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix them. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe with the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, if you're trying to click it, it just won't update or anything, as you can see. Just go ahead and click on your profile right over here on the upper right corner. Click on settings. Scroll down right over here, or sorry, League of Legends. Click on League of Legends on the left side. Scroll down and click on repair game files, and it should be fixed or start fixing. If it says your game is good to go, no repair is needed, click OK. Go ahead and exit. If it still doesn't update, go ahead and exit this out. Click on the tray button right here. Right click on Riot Client, click exit, and also rewrite Vanguard. Click on the task manager right over here. Process and make sure that any Riot Client or Vanguard related, go ahead and right click and then tasks. Exit this out, relaunch your PC, and relaunch your game, and it should be fixed. Basically, that will be all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.